How to make your phone battery last longer. So if you want to make your phone battery last longer, then you just need to simply turn off some things. So let's go ahead. First, you need to open up your Google application. Once you open, now go with the profile, which is on the upper right. Once you tap on the profile, scroll down and then tap on settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down again and then go with other settings. Under other settings, you will have discover option. Simply toggle off the discover option. And then you will have another option, which is open web pages in the app. Just simply toggle it off. And once you toggle these options off, or once you've disabled, now if you want to enable this new section in the feature, then just tap on turn on. Now here you will have turn on discover option, right? So you just need to simply go with turn on if you want to turn on, but if you turn it off, then your phone battery will last longer. Now the second one is what you're going to do is you just need to simply go with your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go with the notifications option. Under notifications, now you need to choose the app notifications. And if you really want to save your battery, you will have to turn off the setting for apps that you don't use on your phone or apps that you don't want notification. And the only reason you want to do this is because every time your phone receives a notification, your screen turn on, and that will use a lot of battery. So just turn off settings for apps that you don't want notifications from, and the problem will be fixed. But the third step is you just need to simply go with the settings again, and here you will have an option of location. So if you have the location turned on, then simply go and turn off your location, or you can simply go with the app location permissions, and you just need to simply disable the location permissions of the application that you don't use. So location will be turned on even if you don't use the application. So what you need to do is you just need to simply turn off the location, and once you turn off the location, then your battery will last longer. And the last one, or the last thing that you need to do, is you just need to simply open up your settings again. And this feature might be only available in Samsung users or in Samsung devices. So what you need to do is simply go with the settings, and once you open up your settings, you just need to simply scroll down until you see an option of checking. So if you have an option of checking, simply go with the checking, and under that you will have the option of background usage limitage. So under that section you will have an option of deep sleeping apps. So you will see the plus icon. You just need to simply go with the plus icon, tap on it, and then you will see a list of apps on your phone on that section. Then you just need to simply select the games that you don't use on your phone or apps that you barely use. So basically, once you've selected all the apps, just simply tap on OK, which will be on the bottom right, and then go ahead and tap on add all the apps, and it will stop running on your background. So once it stops running on your background, that will actually save a lot of phone battery. So that's how you can make your phone battery last longer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.